Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the 2011 Honda Crosstour, and today I'm going to replace the hood struts. My hood struts failed and they will not support the hood. You see, I have to manually use a stand to support it. And these are the new shock struts I just purchased through Amazon, and I'm going to replace them today. These are the new ones. Now the tools you're going to need is just a flat head screwdriver, and you're going to need the screwdriver to release the clips. This is the new one. Pop the clips out of the lower end and the upper end, which is on the old ones, in order to remove them. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is pop the clip on the upper end, which is the clip is right here. So I'm going to slide a flat screwdriver into this little groove right here and pop the clip out, just like that. And do the same thing with the lower end. Slide it in the slot here and pop the clips out. Now you can tell the shock struts failing because when you start seeing a little oil seepage around the rod here, you can tell that the struts is failing. So these are the left and the rights failed because they will not support the hood in the up position, and that's why I have to replace them. So now we pop the clips on the lower end and the upper end. I can now just slowly raise the hood up just a little and pop these out. Just like that. In the meantime, I can go ahead and install the new one. Now the new one comes with new clips. This is the lower end and the upper end. I don't have to do anything just to slide them right on. So first I would slide the upper end first, just like that. And the lower end, just line it up with a little ball right here and just raise on the hood just slightly and pop it in. And you do the same on the left side. Now you do the same process, just slide the flat end in this little groove right here, just right there, and pop the clips outward. Just like that. And do the same thing on the lower end. Just like that, and pop the clips outward. And now you can remove the shock struts, raise it up, pop it off, just like that. Take the new one first, you slide the upper end in. Now you got the upper end in, the lower end, just lined it up. And popped it in. Now I can remove my hood support, and the struts support the hood in the up position. Easy as that. So now I can do an operation check, slowly close it, then open it up, and it should support its own. And that's how you replace the shock struts on the left and right on this 2011 Honda Accord Crosstour. Okay guys, and this is how you replace the left and right shock struts on the hood for your Honda Accord Crosstour 2011. So guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.